that's iPhone 16 with incredible camera experiences, including the 48-megapixel Fusion camera, macro and spatial capture. Deep customization abilities with the Action button and iOS 18, and built for Apple Intelligence from the ground up.
And that's iPhone 16 Pro with Apple Intelligence, A18 Pro, a beautiful titanium design, larger displays, camera control. 16 models will be available for pre-order on Friday and will be available in stores next week on September 20th. With Apple Intelligence on iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro, this is the most extraordinary iPhone lineup ever. Now, back to Tim.
What a remarkable day of announcements about products that continue to make a profound impact on all of our lives. We announced Apple Watch Series 10, the thinnest Apple Watch yet, featuring our biggest display, fastest charging, and incredible new capabilities. And the stunning new Apple Watch Ultra 2 in black titanium. It's the ultimate Apple Watch. Both have sleep apnea detection and come with all of the advanced features of watchOS 11. AirPods 4, with its comfortable new design, incredible improvements to audio performance, and the option of active noise cancellation. AirPods Max, with USB-C for more convenient charging in beautiful new colors. And a revolutionary new end-to-end hearing health experience that includes being able to use your AirPods Pro 2 as a clinical-grade hearing aid. I'm really excited about the impact this will have on so many people's lives. I'm also excited about a new generation of iPhone, built from the ground up to deliver Apple Intelligence and its breakthrough capabilities. iPhone 16, powered by A18, with an incredible new 48-megapixel Fusion camera, fantastic photo experiences, the addition of the Action button and the camera control, as well as all of the capabilities of iOS 18. And iPhone 16 Pro, the most advanced iPhone we've ever made. Powered by A18 Pro, featuring even larger displays, industry-leading Pro camera system with a camera control, and studio-quality audio. The innovation and invention these products deliver will continue to deepen the meaningful impact they have on all of our lives. I'm proud of our teams and what they've accomplished, and I can't wait for you to experience these amazing products. Thanks for joining us. Have a great day.